What does MIC mean in PSA grading? Have you ever come across the term MIC while looking at graded sports collectibles and wondered what it means? Let's break it down together. In the world of professional sports authenticator grading, MIC stands for Miscut. This label is important because it tells collectors that the card has not been cut correctly during its manufacturing process. As a result, the card may appear off-center or uneven on one or more sides. Understanding this designation is key for collectors. The professional sports authenticator uses a 10-point grading scale to evaluate trading cards. This scale ranges from poor, which is a grade of 1, to mint, which is a grade of 10. Alongside the numerical grade, the professional sports authenticator may add qualifiers, which are two-letter codes that highlight specific issues with the card's condition. The MIC qualifier indicates that the card has a Miscut issue. When a card receives the MIC designation, it usually means that its centering is compromised beyond acceptable limits for a higher grade. This is different from the AUK designation, which stands for off-center. The AUK qualifier points to centering issues that may arise from wear or handling, rather than a cutting error. Typically, a card with the MIC qualifier will see its grade reduced by about 2 points compared to what it might have received if it had been cut perfectly. For example, if a card would have received a grade of 8, the presence of the MIC qualifier could drop it to a grade of 6. For collectors, knowing about the MIC designation is essential because it affects the card's value and appeal. While a card with a MIC qualifier is still authenticated and graded by the professional sports authenticator, its Miscut nature may make it less attractive to some buyers. However, there are collectors who find Miscut cards interesting and unique, adding a different layer to their collections. In summary, MIC in PSA grading means the card is Miscut, impacting its centering and overall grade. This designation helps collectors understand the specific flaw in the card's condition and make informed decisions about their purchases.